Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this week's episode of So You Think You Know a Lot About Media? The show where 8 contestants will compete with their knowledge of the media. And I'm your host, Chip Barker. Alright, let's get ready for round 1. What kind of shadow is featured in this picture? Is it A, spotlight shadow? Is it B, floodlight shadow? Or is it C, fast fall-off shadow?
I would have to say C, fast fall-off.
Spotlight shadow.
I will call it spotlight shadow.
Spotlight shadow?
It's a fast fall.
The correct answer is C, fast fall-off shadow. Alright, nice job. Moving on to round 2. What does ECU stand for? Is it A, extreme close-up? Is it B, extra close-up? Or is it C, everyday close-up?
ECU stands for extreme close-up.
Extreme close-up.
I would have to say extreme close-up.
Extreme close-up.
Extra close-up?
For extreme close-up.
The correct answer is A, extreme close-up. Alright, are you ready for more? What kind of focus is this picture in? Is it A, rack focus? Is it B, blurred focus? Or is it C, selective focus?
Selective focus. Blurred focus.
Selective.
Selective focus.
Alright, the correct answer is C, selective focus. Alright, moving on to the next question. What kind of shot is this? A, close-up. B, extreme close-up. Or C, near shot.
Extreme close-up.
Extreme close-up shot.
Extreme close-up.
This is a near shot.
Extreme close-up?
The correct answer is A, close-up. Okay, next question. What kind of shot is this called? Is it A, far away shot? Is it B, wide shot? Or is it C, long shot?
Wide shot.
Long shot.
This is a long shot.
This is a long shot.
This is a long shot.
Long shot?
The correct answer is C, long shot. Alright, next round. What kind of light does a dark and eerie scene of a movie require? A, high key lighting. B, low key lighting. Or C, none of the above.
Low key lighting.
Low-key lighting.
High key lighting.
High key.
Low-key lighting.
The correct answer is B, low key lighting. Excellent! On to the next round. What kind of shot is this photo? Is it A, far away shot? Is it B, wide shot? Or is it C, long shot?
Long shot?
It's definitely a wide shot.
It's a wide shot. Wide shot.
The correct answer is B, wide shot. Alright, next question. How would you describe this picture? A, proper headroom. B, no headroom. Or C, too much headroom.
No headroom.
Too much headroom. No headroom.
There's basically no headroom.
No headroom.
The correct answer is B, no headroom. Alright, unfortunately that brings us to the tiebreaker and final question. What kind of shadow is this? A, cast shadow object connected. B, cast shadow independent. Or C, cast shadow object disconnected?
Disconnected.
Shadow independent.
Cast shadow with the object connected.
Object connected.
No, object disconnected.
The correct answer is B, cast shadow independent. That brings us to the end of the game. Winner is Lauren. Congratulations. That ends our game of So You Think You Know a Lot About Media. I'm your host, Chip Barker. Tune in next week.